finally going to do the apartment tour now. So we're right at the entrance of the building. Let's go this way. We've got a nice little courtyard here. This is a really like traditional building. So we're going up the stairs. Apparently it was built in the 1400s. So very, very old. This is the front door.
Alright, so if we go this way firstly, you can see it's got a really long corridor and all the rooms go straight through to each other. So you got the first room, which is like a living room, slash dining room. Now if we go through to the next room, basically another living room again. There's no TV in this apartment, it's very old school. Nice little couch here. And then you've got some painting and some ornaments. And then you come to the first bedroom. And then you go all the way back down to the kitchen.
Now we're coming into the kitchen dining area. So we've got the kitchen bit here, we've got the sink, cooker, fridge, and we've got another little table and dresser. And then if you look up, we've got a really nice traditional old ceiling. And then if you come here, we've got another bedroom. And then we have the bathroom.
So, have a mixture of food today. We have got sardines with eggs. We've got more eggs, potatoes, mushrooms and baked beans.
We are going to a shopping centre now. I think the guy who owns our Airbnb said it's like one of the best ones in Prague. So we're going to go there, and he said there's a really good sushi place in the shopping centre, so we might go there for dinner.
We are now in the shopping district. Very busy, lots of tourists, but a lot of your usual shops like your Foot Lockers, your Desiguals, and that's about it. But yeah, very busy this part of the town. There is literally a Trdelnik shop every like 20 meters in this main shopping bit. It's really funny, but keep trying not to buy one, but they look really good, so might have to buy one very soon.
We are now in the shopping centre called Palladium. I don't know how to pronounce it.
We're now at the food court. We've got many different foods. We've got Japanese food, Thai food, a Burger King and KFC over there, and a Mackie D's as well.
We are at a place called Trdelnik. It's a frozen yogurt place, and we're gonna try some, because lately I've been loving a bit of frozen yogurt. We've got the just natural Greek yogurt, well, Greek frozen yogurt with some melon, strawberries and some choco balls. It looks so creamy. That is so creamy, literally. Right, so you know pinkberry, I like pinkberry. This is literally 10 times creamier than pinkberry. It is so good. You can really taste that Greek yogurt flavour. but it is so creamy. Really nice with the fresh fruit, especially with the strawberry.
Couldn't resist any longer past another Trdelnik place. This one looks pretty good, they're making it nice and fresh, so we're gonna get one, but I think we'll get a plain one. Very exciting, we've got the Trdelnik with Nutella, and the Nutella is melting inside because it's warm. We built it quite generously with Nutella actually. I think I prefer it without ice cream.
So we are now going to Cafe Louvre because apparently they do some really good cheesecakes there, and it's the oldest cafe in Prague. Founded in 1902, and they sell not just cakes and desserts, but they sell also light meals like sandwiches, but they are apparently famous for their cheesecakes, and apparently Albert Einstein has visited a few times. Bun stuffed with poppy seeds in a vanilla sauce, which I think is like custard. Not bad. You can really taste the poppy seeds. The custard is nice though, and the bun is really soft. And now we also have a chocolate cake that looks really dense and fudgy. It's so rich and dense. The cake though is really light, but the actual icing in between is like really dense. Really nice.
Even from cutting the cheesecake, it feels really light. Wow, that is one of the lightest cheesecakes I've ever tasted. Really good, really vanilla-y. A little bit sour as well. But it's got cream and it's got peach. But the base is not your typical hard, crunchy biscuit base. It's more like soft and crumbly. But it goes really well actually with this cheesecake. Really impressed. Hello, I'd like to speak to Albert Einstein. Right, so going to the top of the tower on Charles Bridge. Nice little walk up to the top. There's quite a few steps to get there.
So we're kind of, I think, halfway now to the top, and there's a little book that we can sign, and I've just written this little thing here.
Down there. Look at that drop. We're at the top of Charles Bridge. Look at the view. We're at the bottom of the bridge now. They've got some artifacts and some of the old things they found in the river from the 20th century. Right, we're at the John Lennon Wall. We're at Running Sushi, Running Sushi, Running Sushi. Well, we came out earlier when we was in the food court and we was having a look around and we thought this one looked pretty good, so I'm going to try it tonight. But I think there's a deal where you get like unlimited sushi for a certain amount, so I'm quite hungry at the moment. So, you know, ready to eat. Are you excited?
I'm excited. From the conveyor belt, I've picked these so far, so I think I've got some sort of fried rice and then some salmon maki, some prawn tempura. I'm going to try the salmon maki.
Oh yeah, no.
I'm going to dip it in soy sauce. That salmon is fresh. It just, when you bite into it, it just melts in your mouth. You want to try this fried rice? It looks like curry fried rice. Really good. I think it is some sort of curry spiced rice.
Tempura prawn. Crispy. Yeah, and the prawn is not overcooked. Nice and tender as well. Deep fried banana fry. Big greasy. So I've got some hot and sour soup. It's really spicy. Spicy. Got some good old waffle fries. Saw these and had to pick it off the trolley.
I've got some sort of fried noodles. Like chow mein. Nice though, nice flavours. I have an avocado roll with fish roe on top.
I actually know what this one is. It looks quite appetizing. It's tied in a bit of seaweed as well. I think it's some kind of fish. Can't work out what it is. It's quite fishy. Not my favourite, but too fishy. Try a nice grilled prawn. I'm gonna bite the head off. It's got salt and pepper, nicely grilled. So we've got salmon nigiri, nice and simple, just rice and then thinly sliced raw salmon on top. Dip in a bit of soy sauce. So I've got a giant roll. It's got like tempura prawn in it, cucumbers and also crab. What's it called? Crab sticks. These crab sticks. Look how big it is.
So I've got some really small looking scallops. Look how mini they are. I like scallops, but I thought I'd try it.
Got gyoza. I don't know what's in these. I think it's chicken gyoza.
We've got something and it's wrapped in foil. I have no idea what it is, so we're going to open it up right now. What? Oh. It's that was a bit disappointing. It's just super fun. But I picked something up that kind of looks like custard with some sort of strawberry syrup. It's a dessert. I mean, I'm not finished with the main stuff yet, but I just fancy trying this. Not as smooth as it could be, but the flavour is not bad. So the waitress keeps coming to collect our empty dishes. She's laughing at us because we've eaten so much already. Okay, so I picked another thing up. It looks like strawberry jelly with, I think, lychee inside. Lychee, strawberry jelly, nice.
We are back. at the apartment. Really full. We had the all-you-can-eat sushi buffet, basically. £15 it worked out to.
We had quite a lot. Like, we didn't even show everything that we ate because there was so much.
But thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.